Welcome to Simply Beautiful Music Theory. In this video, we'll train your rhythmic awareness by having you clap or tap along to 2-bar patterns. This video uses only middle C since the focus is on rhythm, not sight reading, so you can concentrate fully on timing, feel, and internal pulse. Each pattern shows the time signature, BPM, clef, and a moving beat counter to help you stay locked in. The difficulty level for this video is 3 out of 5. By the way, this channel has videos that cater from beginner all the way up to the very advanced. Here's how this video works. You'll see a 2-bar rhythm pattern with a backing track. Clap or tap along as a white circle emphasizes the first beat of each bar. The pattern plays 3 times. Then the answer is revealed as a piano plays each note. After 3 plays to lock it in, we move on to the next example. I'm confident that with repeated practice, you can become a rhythm virtuoso. Thanks for watching, and have fun training your musical mind. Nice work making it this far. Here's a trophy just for you. If this video is helping, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Another trophy's waiting at the end. Back to guessing the rhythm. Nice work making it all the way through this Guess the Rhythm workout. You've earned yourself the Gold Whale Trophy. You just did some serious training. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Simply Beautiful Music Theory, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future ear training sessions for different levels of difficulty. More videos are on the way to help you grow your musical ear step by step. Thanks so much for listening and training with me today. See you in the next one.